Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining the promotion you want and why it fits your career path. Update your LinkedIn headline and summary to reflect that goal, adding role-specific keywords. This helps recruiters and managers find you. Once done, list 3-5 measurable wins, revenue, percent improvements, or delivered projects, and weave them into your current role description. Make sure to save concise metrics and a short story for each achievement, because you will use them immediately in your outreach and post updates. You now build visibility by sharing targeted content that demonstrates readiness. Post succinct case studies and lessons learned from recent projects. Explain challenges, your decisions, and quantified outcomes. Tag colleagues you led and include 3-5 relevant hashtags to reach peers and hiring managers. Simultaneously, ask 2 trusted coworkers for skill endorsements and 1 recommendation that emphasizes leadership, delegation, and business impact. Once those posts and recommendations, you finish by initiating direct conversations. Send your manager a concise promotion case, role desired, 3 concrete contributions, and a proposed timeline. Then propose a small next step meeting. Make sure to also reach out to internal sponsors and HR with a 1-page summary that highlights outcomes and readiness. If things go quiet, request specific feedback, propose a 30-day action plan, and document milestones you both agree on. A key troubleshooting tip: if progress stalls, ask for measurable criteria and a review date. That turns vague talk into accountable steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.